You love kids. You want to be a great parent. But there's something no one told you. Not your doctor. Not your friends. Not even your own parents. And if you don't hear it now, you might end up resenting the very thing you once dreamed of. Because parenting is not about cute clothes, strollers, or even love. It's about giving a child something most adults haven't even given themselves. Emotional safety. If you're planning to have kids or already do, this video will challenge everything you thought you knew about raising a healthy child. And by the end, you'll understand why some children thrive and others break quietly. Lesson 1. What makes a parent ready? Parenting starts long before the baby arrives. It starts with asking yourself, can I give this child my time and just my money? Can I pause my world to enter theirs? Can I handle being someone's lifeline for years? It's not about being rich. In fact, low-income parents often spend more time with their babies than wealthier parents do. The real question isn't, can I afford this child? It's, can I afford not to be present? Lesson 2. The science of connection. Why babies need you. Infants don't just need care, they need attachment. Studies show that babies who aren't held, comforted, or connected to early in life experience higher risk of anxiety and depression, difficulty forming relationship, poor emotional regulation later in life. Think of the rhesus monkey study. The babies with soft, responsive mothers thrived. The ones with wire mothers became anxious, emotionally erratic. The ones with no mother, they lost their minds. If this video is opening your eyes to the emotional weight of parenting, click like so more future parents can find this. And if you believe children deserve more than a paycheck, subscribe to Parenting Vault now for real conversations about real parenting. Lesson 3. When do fathers become essential? Let's be real, mothers and fathers matter, but they show up in different ways at different stages. In infancy, mothers, because of hormonal bonding, breastfeeding, and birth, are usually the primary attachment figure. As toddlers grow, fathers become vital for exploration, risk-taking, and independence. Their playful energy helps children learn boundaries, become confident in the world, separate emotionally from mom in a healthy way. A dad tossing a toddler in the air is more than play. It's wireless courage training. Lesson 4. The cost of a system that ignores kids. Let's talk truth. America is one of only 2 countries with no national paid maternity leave. We care more about the economy than children. Meanwhile, Estonia gives 3 years paid leave. Sweden, 14 months. Slovenia, 3 years. We say family values, but we fund corporate profits over childhood. If we want strong, emotionally resilient kids, we need systems that let parents actually parent. Lesson 5. When success comes at the cost of childhood. Some of the world's most successful athletes, artists, icons shed intense, sometimes harsh parents. And while their skills grew, their emotional lives often broke. Tiger Woods, Michael Jackson, Serena Williams, Beyoncé. Fame doesn't equal wholeness. And success without self-worth is a house built on sand. Narcissistic parenting creates broken adults. Want your child to shine? Don't make them a mirror of your dreams. Make them the authors of their own. Lesson 6. What children truly need. Your child won't remember the stroller brand or the onesie price. They'll remember the warmth of your hug, the sound of your voice when you soothed them, the way you made them feel safe to be small. If you're not ready to give a child your time, your softness, your consistency, don't have kids yet. It's okay to wait. It's better to heal first than to parent from a place of pain. Children don't just need us to feed and clothe them. They need us to show up, stay close, speak life. So don't have kids because it's expected. Have them when you're ready to. Grow in patience. Heal your trauma. Raise someone who feels safe to be themselves. Like this video if it challenges you in a good way. Comment below. What's one thing you wish someone told you before having kids? and subscribe to Parenting Vault for more. Because parenting isn't a trend, it's legacy.